Open house this Saturday, and it's a beauty. There'll be Coronas, Mimosas, and a Ring doorbell giveaway. Yeah, you heard that correctly. Coronas, Mimosas, and a prize giveaway. Just outside of Mooresville, this house has over 5,000 square feet, has 5 beds and 4.5 baths, and is what some would consider mint condition. From the open layout and massive kitchen island to the sprawling master bedroom and outside deck, you have it all in this newer neighborhood. I'm not gonna give too much away in this video, you'll have to come by and check it out. Again, this Saturday from 10 to 1, come check it out, grab a drink, say hello, and take a look before it's gone. I'm Shaun Kelly with Keller Williams. We do more business in the county than any other firm, so whether it's buying this house or checking out others, just reach out. I'd love to help you out. Thanks.